Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD Workbenches like Part Design, Part, and Draft. The FreeCAD tools that I used for this exercise are Additive Pipe, Polyline, Thickness, Revolution, and Extrude. Here are the steps to finalize this 3D solid part. First, I tried to solve this exercise with Part Design Workbench. Due to the fillet problem, I have to switch two different workbenches. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD Workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the first body is inserted automatically. This is the drawing with the given dimensions and the steps to solve the exercise. In step 1 and 2, we create the two pipes. In step 1, we create the wire profile in Draft Workbench and make it a solid part with the help of Part Design Additive Loft tool. Switch to Draft Workbench. Activate the Polyline tool and then put the coordinates of each points of the geometries in the dialog window. Start at the origin. Now is the wire frame is recreated. Add a fillet with a radius of 20 mm at the intersection points. Change the appearance of the wire. Now the wire frame is ready and we sketch the circle with a diameter of 15 mm in Part Design Workbench. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Additive Pipe tool. When you use the Additive Pipe, first select the profile and then the path. The first pipe is ready. In step 2, we create the left side pipe in similar way. First, insert new body and then switch to Draft Workbench. Switch to Part Workbench. Select the first body and body O1 and then activate the Union tool. Now select the three faces and then activate the Thickness tool. Set the thickness parameter to -2 millimeters. In Step 3, we sketch half of the Position 3 profile and create a solid part with the help of the Revolution tool. Insert New Body. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Create roughly the shape of the profile and then put the dimensions later. Assign the dimensions. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Now select the sketch and activate the Revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. In Step 4, we sketch the position for profile on XZ parallel plane and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Insert the fourth body. First, create a parallel plane to XZ plane. Select the new plane and then activate the Sketch tool. Activate the Slot tool and then set the length to 40 millimeters and the radius to 13 millimeters. Dimension the sketch relative to the vertical and horizontal axis. Now, sketch the two small circles. Constrain and dimension the circles. Symmetry, the two circles. Select the two circles and activate the Symmetry tool and then select the Symmetry axis. Remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Activate the Fillet tool and add a fillet to the corners. Constrain the fillets to equal. Set the radius of the fillets to 5 millimeters. Sketch 2 circles with a diameter of 11 millimeters at the center of the pipe holes. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 5 millimeters. Now, all components or bodies are ready. The next is to merge all bodies to one part. Switch again to Part Workbench. Select the thickness and the body O2 and then activate the Union tool. Now select the Fusion O1 and the body O3 and then activate the Union tool. Now, we have one solid part. The last step is to add fillet and chamfers to the created part. Select the edges and then activate the Fillet tool. Set the radius to 5 millimeters. Now, we add chamfers according to the drawing. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. Now, I will show you how to change the appearance of the solid part. Download these textures from internet for free. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.